Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Spider-Man LEGO is probably one of the most exciting sets for any fan, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. We're diving deep into the world of LEGO Spider-Man, exploring various sets to help you find the perfect addition to your collection or a fantastic gift for a fellow enthusiast. Get ready to swing into action as we explore the best LEGO Spider-Man sets. Number 5. LEGO Marvel Miles Morales Mech Armor 76171. Get ready to scale up the action. This awesome mech armor lets young heroes dive into exciting adventures. It's perfect for reliving favorite movie scenes. This set includes a Miles Morales minifigure. He's ready to jump into the cockpit of the supersized mech. Get ready to battle the bad guys. The mech has movable limbs and a super long electro web. It also includes smaller webs that attach to the mech's legs. This allows it to zap the bad guys. Kids can create their own adventures with this set. It's an exciting gift for birthdays or any occasion. The set encourages imaginative play. This durable building toy stands over 4 inches tall. When the action stops, it looks super cool on display. It's a great addition to any kid's room. What we like. This set features a cool mech with movable limbs, allowing for dynamic poses and action. It also includes an electro web to zap the bad guys. If you are looking for a gift that combines action and display, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very poseable and has many points of articulation. The web pieces come in a cool trans-blue color. Miles Morales is also a great figure and his hood piece is made out of a hard plastic. Number 4. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man vs. Carnage 76173. Get ready for action with this amazing set. It features 3 iconic Marvel characters, ready to battle it out. This set is perfect for young superheroes. The set includes Spider-Man, Carnage, and Ghost Rider minifigures. These characters are ready to jump into action. Kids will love recreating their favorite scenes. Check out Ghost Rider's awesome car. It has a removable roof and flames, plus a 3-stud shooter. The car is stylish and ready for any adventure. Kids can build, play, and display this set. It provides endless possibilities for imaginative superhero adventures. It's a great addition to any collection. This set is perfect for kids aged 7 and up. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They will love this standout set. Ghost Rider's car measures over 1 inch. 5 centimeters, high, 7 inches. 19 centimeters, long and 2 inches. 7 centimeters, wide. It looks great on display in kids' rooms. What we like. This set brings together Spider-Man, Carnage, and Ghost Rider. The Ghost Rider's car is a standout feature with its cool design. If you like classic Marvel characters and want to create your own adventures, you should consider this. What people say. The characters, Spider-Man, Ghost Rider, and Carnage, are incredibly detailed and really bring the Marvel universe to life. The Ghost Rider car is especially awesome, it looks sleek, has some serious attitude, and fits right into any superhero city scene. You can have a normal-looking charger, or put some fire pieces to make it look cooler. Number 3. LEGO DUPLO Spider-Man Headquarters, 10940. This exciting set includes everything young superheroes need. It features the headquarters, along with Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ghost Spider figures. With this set, kids can enjoy endless, hands-on, imaginative play. They can team up with their favorite heroes and embark on exciting missions together. The set includes a cool motorcycle and fun accessories. It provides lots of ways for the superhero friends to work as a team and share exciting activities. This is a great gift for kids aged 2 and up. As they roleplay adventures, they'll build developmental skills that last a lifetime. The headquarters measures over 7 inches high, 4 inches wide, and 5 inches deep. It provides lots of fun for little superheroes. What we like. This DUPLO set is perfect for young superheroes. It includes Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ghost Spider. If you have a preschooler who loves Spider-Man and wants to encourage imaginative play, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to assemble and comes with clear instructions. He builds different vehicles for Spidey using the bigger bricks. Even though only 3, he was able to follow the photos and assemble it himself. Number 2. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man's Drone Duel 76195. Get ready for high-flying action. This set lets you recreate epic battles between Spider-Man and Vulture. It's an exciting adventure waiting to happen. The set includes 2 minifigures, Spider-Man and Vulture. Kids can imagine their own stories with these iconic characters. The fun never stops. The buildable drone features 4 rotors and 2 stud shooters. You can attach Spider-Man to the drone using a web. It's perfect for imaginative play. This is a great gift for Marvel movie fans aged 7 and up. It's a standout present for birthdays or holidays. They will love it. The drone is designed for dynamic play. It measures over 2 inches high, 9 inches long, and 9.5 inches wide. This playset integrates easily with other LEGO Marvel sets. LEGO components meet strict quality standards. They are consistent, compatible, and connect perfectly every time. The components are also rigorously tested for safety. What we like. This set features a thrilling drone duel between Spider-Man and Vulture. The drone has 4 rotors and stud shooters. If you like high-flying action and want a set that integrates with other LEGO Marvel kits, you should consider it. What people say. LEGO Marvel Spider-Man's Drone Duel Building Kit is an excellent choice for fans of Spider-Man. The set is easy to assemble, with high-quality pieces that fit perfectly. The included minifigures, Spider-Man and Vulture, are detailed and add a lot of character to the play experience. The drone is well designed, adding a fun, interactive element to the set that encourages imaginative play. It's durable and offers great playability, making it enjoyable for both kids and collectors. Nothing was missing from the box, and the instructions were clear. Los minifiguras son excellents. Un gran añadido a la colección. La construcción del buitre estuvo muy chévere. Destaca mucho como minifigura. Minifiguras creo que exclusivas que no he visto en ningún otro ser, a pesar de que el drone no salió ni en Homecoming ni en No Way Home es una excelente construcción para que jueguen los niños o bien tenerlos de colección, ya que adorna muy bien tu repisa. Number 1. LEGO Spider-Man, Web Warriors Ultimate Bridge 76057. Get ready for an epic showdown. This set lets you build a New York City bridge, the perfect arena for Spider-Man and his allies to battle their enemies. It's going to be an amazing fight. The bridge is packed with features. It has a movable roadway, detachable cables, and even a secret trapdoor. There's also a web prison for the bad guys and a lair for Kraven the Hunter. The set includes minifigures of Spider-Man, Spider-Girl, and Scarlet Spider. They'll be facing off against Scorpion, Kraven the Hunter, and the Green Goblin. It's a battle of good versus evil. The Green Goblin has his glider, ready to swoop into action. This set includes everything you need to recreate the thrilling scenes from the comics. Get ready for some high-flying action. With over 1,000 pieces, this set offers hours of building fun. It's compatible with other LEGO sets, so you can expand your universe. It's perfect for kids aged 8 to 14. The bridge is over 12 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 17 inches deep. The Goblin glider is under 1 inch high and over 2 inches long and 3 inches wide. It's a great size for display and play. What we like. This set allows you to build the ultimate battle on a New York City bridge. It includes Spider-Man and his friends against some of his most sinister foes. If you like a set with many characters and detailed play features, you should consider this. What people say. The bridge looks sweet, is tons of fun to play with, and comes with lots of cool small builds like the taxi. This set ticks all of those boxes. It's quite large when assembled and is pretty impressive looking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.